Curious about the buzz? Let's break down the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is grabbing headlines with its stunning 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen and slimmer bezels. Nearly a 7-inch display, folks. And let's talk about that titanium body. Sleek, slightly larger, and yes, a bit heavier, but totally worth it. Now camera lovers, you're in for a treat. The new customizable camera control button offers instant access to your favorite features. Snap away. Under the hood, a more robust silicon chip powers this beast, giving you better performance and longer battery life. Plus, faster charging speeds compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple Intelligence sounds fancy, right? It's promising, but still in early stages. Not a game changer just yet. So, what's the verdict? If you're after a larger screen, improved camera controls, and enhanced performance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is calling your name. But if you're waiting for groundbreaking features, you might want to hold off a bit. Catch you in the next breakdown.